Hello guys, Rafiq is here from USOF. Now I want to explain about how to customize or override generated CRUD pages on Badaso. As we know, each CRUD generated by the CRUD generator uses the same dynamic code file. However, there are times when a specific page must be changed as needed. Maybe you want to have your own design or add a new feature or remove a feature in a specific page, depending on what your system needs. In the previous video, we already have a food categories, and we can browse the data with access its menu. Food categories menu was generated by Badaso CRUD generator, and in this tutorial, I want to show you how to override the browse or index page of food categories, for example. Okay, let's get started. First, we must find the dynamic code that handles the generated CRUD system in Badaso. You can find that at vendor, Badaso, core, src, and then resource, gs, pages, and CRUD generated folder. As you can see here, there are some files at .view, browse bin.view, browse.view, edit.view, read.view, sort.view. The name of each file already defined what the file purpose. Because we want to customize the browse or index page of food categories, so we can override the browse.view file with copy this file and then paste it on resource, gs, Badaso, pages, and then create a folder that named food categories. Then paste browse.view file on here. Maybe you are wondering, why do we paste the files on the food categories folder? Badaso reads your page based on slug. For this case, the slug is food categories. So you might paste your browse.view file inside of the food categories folder. And then don't forget to run yarn watch. Just type it on your terminal, yarn watch. Just wait for a minute. Okay, the GS file is generated. So we can move to food categories and then refresh this page. Okay, the food categories page is on display. For example, I want to remove a component to prove that this page is overridden. And let's try to remove the action button. Okay, let's go to our code, browse.view on food categories folder. For example, I want to remove that Badaso breadcrumb hover from here. Okay, after the code are deleted, just try to refresh the page again. As you can see, the action button is already gone. So you also can override other generated CRUD pages like this way. Okay, that's it. For the next video, I will explain about how to override existing pages in Badaso. If you have any questions, please comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.